So hello to the daily instant healing miracle. Today we are going to release another belief in the body. So if you would like to sway now on the belief, I love my eyes. I love my eyes. And press pause and sway now, or good. If you had a yes, now that's great, but if you had a no, I would like to offer you healing now. So if you swayed no and you would like to release that, please say yes now in your mind, mentally. That's good. And I will release that for you now. There we go. That's it. Have a re-sway, check in, and you should get a firm yes now. And if you don't get a firm yes, always remember there may be another attachment there that's preventing you changing that. But if you like healing, instant healing, and I don't know who wouldn't, please like the channel and wait for tomorrow because there'll be another instant healing. Bye bye.